Because for the benefit of those listeners who are not Filipinos, who are not from the Philippines, in the Philippines, um, November the 1st and the 2nd are, if I'm not mistaken, they are public holidays.
Yeah,
First
for
and
sure.
second, and I believe it starts on the 31st. Um, this is when we celebrate All Saints and All Souls Day. People from uh, different parts of the country would go back to their hometowns and visit the graves of their departed loved ones, and then offer prayers. Some people, let's say if they're in the metro, they would go back to their provinces, to their hometowns, and then it's also time for them to celebrate the the day or days with their families. um yeah, and some use that time to go
Get
to,
together, family too, you know.
right.
And then, yeah, as I've said, ano sila, nag-gather sila sa grave or sa cemetery, you know. Sometimes they put what do you call this? A gazebo.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, I remember they put a karaoke there too, you know.
Yeah, but I don't think they're allowing it now.
Ah,
Because some people would do that because it's
mm,
like celebrating. They're celebrating the
yeah,
lives of their loved ones, to the point of doing a party during
mm,
that time, like karaoke in the grave
yeah.
and gambling.
Oh yeah, oh.
Card
Tsaka
games.
ano, ang dami na ring pauso before because nung natatandaan ko na sa Pilipinas pa ako, wala pang ano, wala pa kaming um, tenant sa cemetery noong time na yun. So,
Uh,
ayun,
sorry, wala pa kayong tenant sa cementerio?
I mean, yun nga, yung dad ko tsaka yung brother ko, they still alive that time.
Oh,
Yes, you know what I mean.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. And then, sinasama ako ng mga friends ko dun sa sementeryo kasi nga, syempre sila may mga,
May
ano
mga
na
patay.
dun, may mga patay, oo. And then, dun ko lang nakita, yun nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo, they do karaoke, and then some they do bring some projectors.
Uh,
So, it's really
okay.
cool there.
Tito's Talk.